Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good afternoon, my name is Mayongo. I'm the owner of SNE and Busi Ceramics. SNE and Busi Ceramics was founded 2016, 17th of July. SNE and Busi is situated in Babalelo, Upington, at the entrance of Babalelo, between your library and your local municipality. The reason why we started this business was to close the gap of unemployment and to help fight the social ills in our community by helping to transfer skills and helping to fight unemployment. The services and products that SNE and Busi managed to do is like we transfer skills to community people, and we also employ our people by transferring skills of ceramics and pottery, because we are pottery and a ceramic manufacturing company which is locally situated. What you can see on the table, we have a platter, and we have ceramic art pieces, your teapots, your designer teapots, where it's done by clay, and then we design them, fine art. What makes our product different from our competitors is like we are unique. This product is only like in the Northern Cape, we are the only ones currently doing what we are doing as SNE and Busi Ceramics. And that to top of that, we imprint our cultures, our cultural values and customs on our products that detail and outline our heritage of the community in and surrounding Upington. And what makes us different is like the products that you get here at SNE and Busi is that we manufacture. We are the only one, and we are unique, the only one manufacturing such products. To get in touch with us is you can get us on all platforms of social media. Go to Google, you can find us on PIC, whereby you just go to under cultural products, then you find SNE and Busi Ceramics. Our contact details are 060 56 111 35. Hi, my name is Mayongo. I'm a Township Entrepreneur.